before the morning light. You tried to warn me, wiped my tears and walked away. I guess I'll never understand the reason why you could not stay. I showed up dressed in white, carried lily of the valley in my nervous hand so tight.